efforts to create a public health hub at UMass Amherst took a big step forward today with a groundbreaking for a new building on campus.
Western Mass News reporter Matt Price takes us to the celebration and shares how this will impact the school and beyond.
Shovels have picked up dirt, and UMass local and state leaders have made it official. The university in Amherst is getting a brand new building for the School of Public Health and Health Sciences. It is a moment that makes the school's dean, Anna Maria Ciega-Rees, more than delighted.
When I first started as dean 5 years ago, I thought I'll never see a new building in my lifetime. And we made some compromises, and this was the absolutely perfect compromise.
This $43 million project is years in the making, as the school had been spread out across different campus locations. But soon, that will all change.
It provides a way to focus. It provides a way to create synergies. It provides a place where people can come and this is the hub from which you can go and get the information you need or get the help you need.
For the around 1,700 undergraduate and 500 graduate students, the new 26,800 square foot school will have several important features. Among them are flexible team-based learning classrooms, time-shared cubicles, office space, open areas for collaboration and informal work, and conference rooms. Aside from the new facility being energy efficient and sustainable, Reyes tells Western Mass News the future of this particular school looks bright.
This is an inflection point for the School of Public Health and Health Sciences, where the faculty, at the core of that research, at the core of that educational experience for our students, will now materialize those dreams, those visions that they have.
And Ciega-Rees told attendees this is not just an investment in infrastructure, but also an investment in the future of public health and the community's well-being.
The legacy is not the building. The legacy are the students who are coming here and learning, because they will go off and be the next generation of healthcare professionals, of researchers, of academicians.
The new School of Public Health and Health Sciences is expected to be completed in December of 2025. It will then be ready for students and staff in spring 2026. In Amherst, Matt Price, Western Mass News.